everyone, it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. A while ago, I shared my time-lapse video on how I made this costume, and many of you have been asking how I made these fabric flower appliques. If you want to decorate your costume or dress easily and quickly, these appliques are perfect because they are super easy to make. In this video, you'll see how to make these pink flowers. Let's get started. To make a large flower applique, you need a strip of fabric in this size, 5 inches by 24 inches. This will be a flower that's about 5 inches in diameter. And matching color thread. First, fold the fabric in half lengthwise, wrong sides together. Double thread a needle and make a knot at the end, and from the folded end, start stitching. Keep the stitch length long, about 3/8 of an inch long, and stitch about 1/4 of an inch from the edge. At the corner, instead of taking a sharp turn, make a gradual turn. Here I'm using contrasting color thread so you can see the stitches, but for your appliques, use matching color thread. And if the fabric starts scrunching, that's fine. Just keep stitching to the other end without cutting the thread. And again, at the corner, take a gradual turn. Once you reach the end, start pulling both threads gently and guide the fabric so it gets scrunched up into a nice round shape. Push all the raw edges to one side, and I'll call this side the wrong side. On the wrong side, stitch through the ends a couple of times to keep the ends together, and stitch through the center part like this a few times to secure the gathering. Tie a knot and clean up the excess fabric, and be careful not to snip the stitches. And that's it! For a smaller version, use a 2.5 inch by 12 inch strip. You make a flower that's about 2.5 inches in diameter. And follow the same steps. I use satin for this example, but you can try other types of fabric as well. If you use heavier material, you may need less fabric per applique. To attach these flowers to your dress or costume, simply stitch them to your costume by hand. Depending on the fabric, it may help to stitch the back side of the petals onto the costume so they don't sag. For my costume, I sewed on a few beads at the center of the flowers, then glued on some rhinestones to add sparkles. This is an easy project and a great way to turn scrap fabric into something really beautiful. And in my next video, I'll show you how to make these rose appliques I used to decorate this costume. So stay tuned. Hope you like these flower applique DIY, and if you did, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your creative friends who would love these flower appliques. And if you want to decorate your belly dance costumes better and more professionally, learn how in my free course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101. Sign up from the link in the description. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!